In this video, I will show you how to create a fully dynamic navigation bar in a sheet having multiple sheets to see. Clicking on home icon takes you to the home page, and if you select any of the month from January to December, has fully color customized data. Let's see how to create this kind of navigation bar easily. I will show you everything step by step. Before going further, I would request to like this video and subscribe. This really motivates me to bring more high quality content for you. Let's jump in and see. Once data is ready, go to Insert tab, click on Shapes and select Rectangle Shapes. Select the shape fill and change its color as per your requirements. Draw the shape by reshaping its corners. Then go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Go to Insert Shape again and select a rounded rectangle shape again. Draw the shape and adjust its size. Go to Shape Outline and pick the color that complements the shape. Enter the text January, change the text color to black, make it bold, and align the text to center. Hold the Control key and duplicate it as many months you want to create. Rename the month names. Select all the shapes and go to Format tab and align left. Align again and choose Distribute vertically. Notice now the shapes are perfectly aligned. Press Insert, go to Icon Names and select Home Icon. Resize the home icon by dragging its corners and reposition it. Select January shape and press Ctrl plus K to link it to January month sheet and press OK. Select the February sheet and press Ctrl plus K and link it to the February month sheet and press OK. Repeat this step for remaining months from March till December. After linking all the sheets, press the home icon and press Ctrl plus E and link it to the home page. Copy the shapes whatever we have created on home page on all the sheets from January to December. Open the January sheet and select the January slightly to the right side. Then select the shape color that matches the theme. Click the next month button and drag it to the little right side. You can also match the table color and match the design. Change the shape outline color and change the text color also if you want. Change the home icon color if required, but I'll keep as it is. Repeat the same steps for all the months from March till December. That's it. Your dynamic navigation bar is now ready. You can feel free to play around the sheets and even you can come around the home page with a single click, even if you are on any sheets at that time. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.